Right, so I've got a trap here to show you. Somewhat slightly different. It does look like other traps, but it is slightly different. And what you need is some type of cage. And what you do is just tie a bit of string on the bottom. Now, it hasn't got to be too long and it hasn't got to be too tight. It's hard to say unless you know the size of your cage. What you'd have to do is just do it and just try it different sizes. Got a piece of string tied there and there. A forked stick and a straight stick, as smooth as possible. And what you do, this is the easiest way to set it, get your straight one, hook it on the piece of string and then hold it there. And if that'll stay, then it's gonna work. Then your forked one, you just get it and at an angle, put it underneath this one. If that's gonna stay like that, it's gonna work. That's the best way of doing it. I'll move the camera around so you can see it a bit better. So you can see it down there, the string just hooked on the end. This bit is just laid underneath. And there's your forked one, just like that at an angle. You see it there a bit better. And then when the bird stands on that string, that'll fall down and release that one. And that's why this one has to be smooth, because it does ride, the cage rides down it.